So as they receive their tokens, receive their tokens. So the class teacher, Teacher Alex, is going to receive the token on behalf of the class. Yes, another round of applause for Drino. Okay.
Naona nikipitia hiyo class. Naona nikipitia huko.
Okay, so as Drino receive
Mwalimu Rizales.
Drino. Okay. So I'm informed you're supposed to have tug of war for now the parents
And the teachers.
the teachers, parents and the teachers. So the parents will be represented by the